Hey there, it's Todd Gross here, and do you know what time it is? It's time to get you and your business on the next huge wave of internet and social marketing. And how are we going to do that? Well, two words: animated videos. You see, in case you haven't noticed, animated videos are all the rage right now. And why is that? Well, it's because they're proven to grab attention, create viral buzz, and basically to build brand awareness and, yes, get viewers to engage and take action, which is the most important thing. And today we're going to show you how to ride this awesome wave all the way to the beach. Now, with our newest app that utilizes the latest and greatest open canvas and vector-based animation technology, as well as our own cutting-edge text-to-speech technology, this is all going to be put together into an amazing piece of software. It's a state-of-the-art creator that's super easy to use. It works on any device, and best of all, it delivers super cool professional results. But hold on, there is more. We're also going to show you how to add a powerful new revenue stream to your business by creating awesome videos for other businesses and other marketers who are hungry to get on that hot new wave too. By now, you've probably seen animated videos all over YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, websites, and even sales pages. And at some point, you've probably thought to yourself, wow, creating animated videos like those must be an expensive and/or time-consuming proposition. And guess what? If you did think that, you're absolutely right. Creating fun, engaging, and top-quality animated videos is not cheap or easy to do. Until now, that is. You see, you're at the right place at the right time for a change because you're about to learn how you can easily create amazing 2D animated videos in crystal clear high def with cool elements, tons of flexibility, and a wide variety of visual effects, complete with text-to-speech in many of the popular languages and even various accents, a wide variety of audio sourcing and voiceover options, and even onboard automatic translation done on the fly. And all this within a matter of minutes. You don't need to know a thing about video creation. With our uber intuitive drag and drop custom story maker interface, it couldn't possibly be easier. Get ready for Animation Studio. Animation Studio gives you the awesome power to create attention-getting, fun, and entertaining animated videos, all with just a few swipes and a few clicks. Now, Animation Studio has been years in development by my partner Paul Pona and myself. We're two highly experienced software developers and marketers with over 25 years of combined experience. Now, this time around, we've teamed up with Bravin Technologies, who have spent years perfecting their innovative open canvas animation technology. Now, we developed Animation Studio utilizing Bravin's state-of-the-art animation and rendering engine. And then we added our revolutionary text-to-speech voice technology and several other enhancements. Now, that resulted in a full-featured, powerful, and highly versatile video creator like you've never seen before. It's incredibly easy to use and gives anyone the ability to create super fun, engaging, and catchy videos to help promote their businesses, their websites, e-com stores, and much, much more. Now, let's face a hard, cold fact. When it comes to getting clicks and conversions online, the competition is fierce. Business owners, marketers, website owners, social marketers, and even bloggers need to stay on the leading edge to remain competitive. Tapping into animated videos is a great way to do that. A fun, attention-grabbing explainer video can completely transform an otherwise dull website. A catchy intro video circulating on social media or YouTube can get your brand or website's name out to the masses in a memorable and fun way. Static, boring sales pages, well, they could be turned into sales machines here with a fun, engaging, animated video to help sell your product or service. Complete turnaround. And I could go on and on. Look, we already know that video is proven to keep visitors engaged on websites and social media, right? Well, did you know that according to YouTube, the average smartphone user spends 4 hours a day watching videos? 4 hours! Now, we're talking billions of people worldwide spending 1/6 of their day watching videos online. Is that crazy? Trust me, that's a global audience that you can't afford not to get a piece of. But there lies the dilemma. Most marketers, site owners, and even brick and mortar business owners simply don't have the ability, much less the budget, to create eye-catching videos that will grab and keep audiences' attention. Especially since it can cost around $500 for a decent quality 30-second animated video. Well, Animation Studio takes care of all of that and goes beyond, especially since you get a wide variety of ready-made templates for a ton of niches and with more being added each month. And tons of characters, themes, backgrounds, and props that you could drag and drop into the scenes with total ease. And you could even get pro-quality voiceovers done by yours truly. Okay, so I could just keep telling you about what Animation Studio can do, or I can show you what it could do. So without further ado, let's take a quick dive into the fun and dynamic world of Animation Studio. What do you say? Meet Ralph. He's one of dozens of diverse characters that you get with Animation Studio, and he's going to start the tour.
Hi there, and welcome to Animation Studio. My fellow characters and I can become and do whatever you want in your animated videos. You can make your chosen character a doctor, dentist, chiropractor, lawyer, or any other profession in a wide variety of niches, businesses, and occupations. Whatever you want. You can place him or her in practically any setting that you want to, using our super cool open canvas animation technology. Whether it's a park, garage, a living room, or an office, it's entirely up to you. Just select from the library of options on the super easy interface, then drag and drop elements into the scene. Same goes for animated elements, mascots, and props. You can position and even resize any element you use in a scene any way you want, with just a few mouse clicks and drags. We'll do whatever you want us to. With our custom story maker and timeline editor, you're the director. Our pre-made templates and voiceover tracks makes it even easier to start. Or you can start with a completely blank canvas. If you can imagine it, you can pretty much do it with Animation Studio. Our cast of characters cover almost every ethnicity, niche, job, and trade out there. With even more to come as we continue making Animation Studio better and better. So whether you or your client is a dentist, chiropractor, real estate agent, restaurant owner, plumber, dog trainer, or a yoga instructor, you'll be able to easily create a unique, super sharp, and fully customized animated explainer or sales video complete with professional voiceover for virtually any niche in minutes. Remember, you also get a huge library of templates, voiceovers, and pre-written scripts for a wide variety of hot niches that makes creating your videos even easier.
Want to create your own voiceover in various top languages or even an English or Australian accent? It's easy. Simply paste in the desired text for the script, click a couple of options, and you're done. Our state-of-the-art text-to-speech engine does the rest. You can even translate any script to any other language, then generate a whole new voice track for that language. This makes creating videos for specific countries and languages a cinch. Want to upload a recorded voiceover or record your own voice on the fly? No problem. With Animation Studio, it's a piece of cake. And because Animation Studio includes a commercial license, you can easily profit by creating fun and engaging videos for local and online businesses. We'll even show you how. Animation Studio gives you the power to create awesome, professional, HD quality animated videos that will captivate and entertain your audience. Anyone can use it. No special skills or knowledge required whatsoever. With the super easy timeline editor, all you have to do is follow a few easy steps. Just drag and drop your characters and elements into the scene, then prepare the script for the voiceover, or use one of our pre-recorded voiceovers, then add a music track and even sound effects if you want. Once everything is just the way you want it, All you have to do is click one button, and your video will be ready for download within minutes. You'll be creating fun and attention-getting animated videos within minutes. Be sure to check out the full demo below and the rest of this page to get all the details.
Hey, I told you it was cool now, didn't I? You see, before Animation Studio came along, technology like this simply was not accessible to your average Joe or Jane. At least not in an affordable way. You had to have the right amount of creative talent, technical skills, and super expensive software and hardware to pull off what Animation Studio can do now. Or you needed the kind of budget that only Fortune 500 companies have. And if you've priced various subscription-based animation apps on the market, you will find that they can cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per year. And most can't even do everything that Animation Studio can. It's the only cloud-based animation creator app that gives you unlimited video production capability in HD, plenty of storage, and a full commercial license, so you can resell your videos for excellent profits. And all for a low, very low, one-time price during this introductory offer. Now, you'll never need to purchase another animation app ever again. Animation Studio runs on Microsoft's special super reliable cloud network, so there's nothing to download, install, or update ever. Our team of developers will keep making Animation Studio better and better behind the scenes, seamlessly, without any disruptions. You can securely access Animation Studio by any browser to start creating animated videos in no time at all. And isn't that cool? So now that I've shown you what Animation Studio can do and given you just a taste of its powerful features, just see below this video to get the really exciting stuff, as in the incredibly low introductory price available only during this highly limited launch period. Also, be sure to check out the awesome exclusive bonuses that we're throwing in during this introductory offer to make it a true no-brainer, including 50 plus royalty-free music tracks worth $25 each, a bonus library of explainer video assets and templates, a huge bonus pack of 2D animation human avatars, numerous stunning explainer video backgrounds, and yes, an outstanding collection of pro-quality voiceovers for several niches by yours truly. My radio and TV voice will be yours. The bonuses alone make Animation Studio a steal at the low introductory price. And remember, we take on all the risk with our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So don't waste another second. Check out the rest of this page and the full demo video below. Then click the button for instant access at the low introductory discount price while it's still available. You could be on your way to creating your first animated video in just minutes. Let us show you what Animation Studio can do for you and your business. This is Todd Gross, and I will literally see you on the inside.